If you're receiving unwanted emails in your Yahoo Mail, blocking the sender can help keep your inbox clean. Follow these steps to block someone on Yahoo Mail. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Open an email from the sender. Navigate to your inbox and find an email from the person you want to block. Click on the email to open it. Step 3. Click on the More Options menu. In the open email, look for the More option, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Click on this to reveal additional options. Step 4. Select Block Sender. From the drop-down menu, find and select the Block Sender option. This will prompt a confirmation message asking if you want to block the sender. Step 5. Confirm the block. Click on the confirmation button to finalize blocking the sender. You will no longer receive emails from this person in your inbox. By following these steps, you can easily block unwanted senders and manage your Yahoo Mail more effectively.